All right, class, so this is part 2 to the introduction. Since we were not able to have that full class time on Tuesday with as an introduction to you guys, that's for Math 20-1, I did decide to make a video, and also for people who might have missed that first day. So this is continuation to the introduction part 1. In this video, I'm going to talk more about where the Moodle stuff is. So if you are a new student, and also for returning students, it's a good way to get through the information. There might be things that are different from your previous online courses. So as you can see on your Moodle page, you have this information given to you, where the class is, and you can take a look at when it starts, when it ends. Everybody writes the exam on December 13th in the time assigned. So that day you will not have that full day to decide on. So final exam, I will share with you the time when it's more solidified, but you will have to write the exam on that day at that time. So you do not get the window to write your exams from 6 all the way till a minute before midnight, like the rest of your unit test. We write with all the other students, whichever modality they're using. So this is the link that you are using to get inside the class. And when you click on here, it should take you to your online link. And let me see if I have that open here. I'm going to open this in a new window so we can see that. So as you can see, this is a link right here that shows where the link of the class is. You would join in here by clicking. Also, this little 3 bars on the side, they show us where the recording is, so you can get into your recording right from here as well. Okay, so we have had that short class on Tuesday, and you can click on there and you can take a look at the recording. The next thing that I want to talk about is the schedule. When you click on here, the schedule opens. I have it already opened. There are days that are highlighted in green that are the days that we are meeting. I have briefly put in things that I will be teaching that day, but these are the suggested homeworks from each lesson. So like I mentioned earlier, do try to keep up with the days so that when I get to this day, you do understand when I'm going over the examples from here or introducing the new topic, that you can keep up with me. There are assignments due. So the first assignment is due on Saturday of this weekend. I'll show you where that is and explain over that. And here are the exam days. Exams days are always on Wednesdays. And even though we know we're going past the day because we couldn't fit this exam on this Wednesday, it would have been too rushed. But this is the Wednesday you're writing it, and it will be open from 6 to 11:59 till night. You can pick any 80 minutes that work best for you to write your exam. There's your course outline if you'd like to do it. Here is a PDF trial. I just set it up just so that you are not familiar with how to scan your assignments as a PDF and to hand it in. This is where you could give it a try. Let me know in class if that is something that you're not familiar with. The next very important thing that you need to know is the workbook, which is right here, and the solution manual. So the teacher solution manual over here is the one that has all the answers completely given out in the key. So I'll just show you guys in here that they have done all the work step by step to all the questions. Okay, so that is another resource that you can be taking a look at as you're going through. There's a formula sheet available to you over there. And then this is where this first unit information is, which is very important. Every unit has these lessons built in here. So this is a radicals lesson. This is where you would probably be spending a lot of time trying to understand materials. So you can go into each lesson. So the first lesson that you're supposed to do, go in the enhanced video workbook. And in the workbook, you'll notice that this is just your workbook blank, but there are these buttons in here, which are videos. When you click on it, there will be a video of a person doing these questions for you, all of these examples. So this is done for you for all the examples, most of them, in the workbook. As you can see right here, important concepts are covered, and then you will take a look at them. And then as you go in the assignment section, that's your part. So there are no videos available on this section. To do these parts, you just have to work through them, or you can, again, like I said, go into the teacher solution manual and check the answers for that section. So really, really important thing, and it will pick up from where you left. So even if I move away from this topic, when I come back, it remembers where you left off, so you can continue on. Next thing is this assignment. This is a short assignment that's only about 6 questions, and you can see I put information as to when it's due. You do have to show all your work, all your steps, and only PDFs can be accepted in this one, because that's the only format I can mark online from. If you do submit your assignment late, these are the deductions on it. So if any assignment comes to me in any form or way after 7 p.m. on Saturday, 20% will be deducted. If you decide to submit it on Sunday, 50% marks will be deducted. And if you submitted anything after that, I will not accept it. So you guys are given enough time. It's a very short assignment. I don't think it should take you anything more than that. So in order to submit it, this is the actual assignment. To submit it, you would click the Add Submission, and there's a drag and drop box. You can either upload it, or you can just simply minimize the screen and actually pick a file up, the PDF, and drop it right here and save changes, and you're done. Okay, so that's on the Moodle. That is also very important for you to know. If you're not familiar with how to do that, there is help videos being made to show how to do the PDF scanning using your phone. So it could be either by iPhone or Android, or if you have a scanner at home, all of them work. The idea is take a picture of it. You can email it to yourself, and then once it's on your desktop, then you can just basically drag drop, or an alternate method that is shown to you. This information is not updated right now. This person, Noel, used to provide help for online students from last term. I will get this information and see if this is still available and updated for you. So for now, it's the tutorial center and myself. And like I said in the previous video, it all depends. I will set up office hours if you do need to see me. The course weightage is very important and different from previous terms. Your quizzes and assignments all together are 35%. Your unit tests are 35. Your final is 30. And the final is a cumulative. Okay, so please do make sure that you are keeping up with your assignments as well.